Hi guys, today I'm gonna make mango. Something simple that I'm gonna make for a little cookout I'm doing. I always do it all the time to do some rice and penne, some mango. We're gonna have macaroni salad, potato salad, and the rest of the menu keeps on going. Cooking right now the penne in the caja de china. But these are the ingredients I'm gonna use right now to make my famous mango. This is what I use. I use canola oil, vinegar, red onions, some country crock original butter, garlic powder, adobo, and some plantains. These are the ingredients I use to make my special mango. Hi guys, my name is Melly. I'm here right now peeling the plantains. Cut off both ends, and it's gonna look just like this. You peel it, and this is how we want it. So we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna try to cut it with you guys making this video to these type of sizes, so when we boil them it cooks faster and it's easier to mash. As we go for the process of the mango, this is the red onions. We're gonna slice them to thin slices, however you want them. Thick, thin, depends on the people how they like it. Some like it thin, some like it thick. We are gonna add some vinegar. Pour in the vinegar. You probably want to cover the bottom part of your pan, and you're gonna add a little bit. Well, I use canola oil. You can add whatever oil you want to put, but I use canola oil. Add just a little bit, little drizzle. Add some salt and pepper. You can mix it around while it's cooking. Some salt and pepper for flavoring. Then you can add it to the stove. Here I come to the stove. Turn it on. Cook it a little bit until it's a little tender and soft, the onions. And this is one of the process that we do to, this goes on top of the plantains with the flavoring and all. This is one part. The next part I'll show you what I do with the butter. The butter, I mix all ingredients and put it together, melt the butter, and do the next process that goes in the plantains. Here we're gonna do the butter mix for the mango. We're gonna add some butter, right? I say right now, one more a big huge spoon, because I'm taking them big. Well, I'm trying to do it with one hand right now. Work as much as I can. Some butter. We're gonna add some garlic powder and some adobo for flavoring. I'm trying to open up the adobo. I should have opened it before doing this, but one hand on it, trying to get it done. Add some adobo for flavoring. This, we're gonna put all this in the pot. Then we're gonna go warm it up a little bit in the stove, melt the butter with all the seasoning, and this is what we're gonna put inside the plantains. As you can tell, I have the onions in the background still cooking. This is part of the mango too. So as you can tell, I'm waiting for it to caramelize a little bit with the vinegar, salt, pepper on that one. And the one in the back is going to be the flavoring that we're going to put inside the mango. It's like a mashed potato. It's just like a mashed potatoes. When you do mashed potatoes, you put butter in your mashed potatoes. So we're going to do mashed potatoes type of way, but we're going to melt the butter with the seasoning on it, mash the plantains, put the butter in the plantains, then on top, coat it with the onions And that's how we do the mango. So this is all the ingredients that we have. We have everything cooking right now on the stove. Here's the plantains. Here's the onions. There goes the butter, is melting away. And this is what we're going to put together in the end. You will see the ending results. Right now we have the water boiling so we can add the plantains. The fire's on medium right now. Add some plantains. I rinsed them out in the sink. So after that we're gonna put them, add them, and be careful that you don't burn yourself. This is how I always do it. Spills a little bit, but it's easy. It's water. Clean it up. Keep cooking. Let it boil till it's soft, tender. Then we'll shut it off and show the next process. Well, after the plantains are done, we're gonna drain them, strain them. So as you can tell, they're strained. You can see some heat. You see the vapor coming out of it. We're gonna put them back into the pot. Oh, I'm gonna use the pot. Whatever you decide to use, you can use. And we're gonna mash them. So mash them just like mashed potatoes. Keep on mashing them. See the mashing is going on right now. After you finish mashing them, well, we're gonna wait because still on the, not easy. Just be, takes a little arm for it. Keep on and keep on mashing. Right, so we're gonna keep on mashing. You can tell, still working on it. Still working on it. And still, it's not easy. It's hard work to make this.
Muscle.
Really, mucho muscle.
It pays off at the end. It tastes very great. It's like the Dominican mashed potato, like how we eat Americans mashed potatoes. This is the Dominican style.
But we're Puerto Rican and we're making it Dominican style.
But with a lot better taste.
Yeah, so we're gonna add, as you can tell, it's mashed. We're gonna add the butter that we melted. And keep on mashing it away. Keep on mashing it until all the juices of the butter blends in with the plantains, the mashed plantains. You want to make sure you blend it all together. And just in case you feel like it's not enough butter, come out a little bit more and just add to it. We might do that. Let's see. I think it's good. We will find out. I think it's real good. You will tell it's all mushy. Perfect. So what I do, okay, that's fine. Perfect right there. So what I do, I flatten it out. Keep on flattening it all out. And I'm gonna go get the onions that I was cooking. Come over here and add the onions on top. You could tell still some vinegar in it, and it's good because the vinegar is for flavor. Add the onions, just put it on top, and gives it flavor. Some people love to eat it, some people don't. It's your choice. But it's real good. It gives it a lot of flavor. I spread the onions around. And this is my mango. Up to you. Taste it. I'm going to have my husband do a taste test. He loves his mango. So he's going to go ahead and grab some. He doesn't like onions, so it goes without onions for him.
You still need to have the onions. Without the onions, you need it for flavor.
And what do you think about it? Is it good to go? It's
Wow.
good. So that's our mango. Enjoy, guys.